The whole world has rejected communism today. The communists have always opposed Bharatiya culture and Bharatiya Samskruti. They have always been an obstacle for the progress and implementation of important projects. My party and my Karyakartas, the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, we will eliminate communism and your terrorism from this land of Kerala. Communist history in India. You will realize that they have always been an obstacle for the progress and implementation of important projects. Whether it was the Narmada Dam in Gujarat, which communists supported and NGOs led, people like Medha Patkar tried to stop, or whether it is the shoddy implementation of K-Rail project in Kerala, whether it is the opposition to the Kudankulam plant, all of these important projects have always been opposed by the communists. Even today, the Vinigam Port project is being opposed by the communists because that port will bring prosperity to the common people. And if the common people become prosperous, they will not listen to the communist ideology. They will reject it. Therefore, the communists always want to keep the people poor, is why they always oppose projects and progress. The communists have always opposed Bharatiya culture and Bharatiya Samskruti. Whether it is the Ram Janmabhoomi movement, or whether it is abrogation of Article 370, whether it is implementation of CAA, or whether it is the opposition to the traditions in Sabarimala, or Pinarayi Vijayan banning the celebration of Onam and Puvakam festivals in government offices, the communists have always opposed Bharatiya culture and traditions which are indigenous and native to this soil. The whole world has rejected communism today. Even countries like China, which was once the Gangotri of communism, has rejected communism in toto because communism is an impractical ideology. It's a failed ideology. The last island where communism is still alive, unfortunately, is in this state of Kerala. But looking at the kind of response, the energy, the change that the young people of Kerala are showing today, I can give it to you in writing that very soon communism and communist parties will be in the dustbin of history even in Kerala. I can tell you with 100% certainty, standing in Kannur, the bastion of these communist terrorists, this is my open challenge to Pinarayi Vijayan and his gang of terrorists. My party and my Karyakartas, the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, we will eliminate communism and your terrorism from this land of Kerala. This is our sankalp.